Hello, Daddy. This is the people. As you can see, we started digging the drainage this morning. So I'm now moving inside. Wow, we play a cool shift. Okay, as you can see, the always have now here in the 2 bag of cement they use 8 days money still complete. So this is 21 and 20. Still have enough bricks. So this is the rooms. All of this size complete. Ready to the plastering. So the plastering casting inside our remaining for this side. All of the room are already been cast. Now we believe for plastering, the plumbing work, everything done in the rooms. On the plastering, we are waiting for us here. Yeah, going. So as I said, when the plastering, then we do the casting inside. When the plastering, then the casting one time. So the plastering will plaster all of the thing. Take all this thing and then plaster it. This room today after the tick, you can start ticking around the stone so we can use the power saw to remove the stone so we can end the casting here. So here and the push and the hallway, wave the drainage like 2 areas that remain, the 3 areas that remain for casting. So today when they finish ticking, they said they will stop halfway and then they kind to tick around the stone. They will use the power saw it and take it from there so they can cast it. So that will leave on the room. This is the baby area. Yeah. The chair actually placed this morning with the 2 bags. Okay, this is the feeder. And the twinkle here, everything cement, I have to hold it first. As you can see, everything like this. So if else get to the plastering, everything will hitch in the wall. Okay, as you can see here. So everything here is already set. The plug, the twinkle, the feeder, everything is okay. So remaining the plastering, as the plastering, then we'll be casting the drinking area and the feeding area. Yes, as they're doing the plastering, they will start doing that. And then all the preps that showing, they will plaster it, will cover. Check. Okay. So all of the room is over. It's done. For the plumbing work, eh, behind the well, the boss digging a drainage. It done here because they run the entire water line yet. The entire water line is now being running here from the beginning to the end. So the plumbing work is not complete yet. See all here. So going to the last room. This is the last room. Here, this is the room that we're discussing. I told you we put in feeder, we're not putting anything. So I only told you that we're only putting water, which is the pump, here. So it's here empty. You see this room, the room not complete. No feeder. You see, no drinker. So the plumber have to come and complete the work. So this is it for the PPN.